Hi, I'm Red. You're watching Gravy Built. Today we're going to take the all-wheel drive EM2 out for a drive. The car's been running pretty good. I've been getting a lot of stuff done on this thing. Took it back to the dyno, tuned it for 17 pounds of boost. You know, I didn't really film the dyno session. For some reason, just the way the all-wheel drive works with the dyno is kind of confused. It wasn't giving us any real numbers. So next time I go back to the dyno, we're going to dyno it front-wheel drive. So then we'll have some real numbers for you guys. So yeah, I got some plans coming up pretty soon. I got some parts on order, but we're gonna go take this thing for a rip. Go down to Mexico, do some polls, show you guys how this thing runs. And also too, right now it is completely cold. Haven't started it today. The Haltech is working great. The cold start's on point. Starts right up with the E85. And yeah, we're gonna check that out right now and take you guys for a drive. Okay, let's get this thing fired up. Still cold. Let's check it out. Boom, starts right up. No problem. Okay, you can see right here, there's a coolant temp, 75. Nice cold start. We got oil pressure. We got oil temperature. That one's not calibrated right. And then we have fuel pressure. And then we got the air fuel. Got to let the car warm up a little bit and then we can go for a drive. We got some gas. Now let's do a couple pulls, guys. Starting first gear and let's get it. Wow, this thing is so fast.
Dude. That's crazy.
Oh my God, you gotta really hold on. So yeah, 10 pounds in first, 14 in second, and then 17 in the rest of the gears. So that 17 pounds gets it. What do you think, Nelson?
Oh man, it's like a roller coaster.
Oh. All right, we got some gas. Now let's do a couple pulls, guys. Starting first gear and let's get it. All right, so we had a nice little drive in Mexico. Everything went pretty good. We did a few pulls for you guys, show you what the car does. It really gets out. And also too, that pull right there, the launch I did, you know, kind of showed you guys how it grips now with the viscous coupler. That Gear-X unit is amazing. So this car is just a whole new animal. So big things coming. So stay tuned to the channel, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.